up guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new on my channel, my name is Kadeja. Welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe right now before we get into the video. So you see my hair looking all crazy, you know what's up. We have another natural hair tutorial for you guys. In today's video we will be installing some boho butterfly locks from Toyotress Hair. If you guys have been following my channel, then you know that most of my natural hair tutorials are from Toyotress Hair. They really supplied me with good crochet braids and I'm super excited for today's video. Today we're doing their 12-inch boho butterfly locks, and of course I'm going to show you guys how many packs they sent for us and everything that's included in our package today. So let's go ahead and check out our package. So we received the crochet needle. Of course this is necessary because sometimes I lose them. Well, all the time I lose them. 8. So I received 8 packs of the crochet hair, and I believe that one pack has like 10 strands of hair on it. So I received like 80 strands in total. This is it. So this is what the hair looks like. Again, this is their boho butterfly locks, but this one has curls at the end. This is like a trending style right now. Normally they'll just be like plain and regular, but I love that they come with curls at the end to like keep up with the trends and keep up with the time. I mean, it's 2024. We don't want to look natural, we want to look extra, we want to do more. So this is it. I love it. And of course I got 1B. They have several different colors, several different styles. I'll leave their link down below if you guys want to purchase. I'm just going to go ahead and move along to the install. So today we'll be using the super stretch elastic bands. I love these. They do not break at all. I can tell you that. These are the only elastic band that they just last for such a long time, and I love them. I think I got these in Sally Beauty, and this is what it looks like. It comes with a lot. I honestly don't know how much. Well, it says 450. Damn, that means I use so much. Like, I really do love them, guys. And I also will be using my Shine and Jam. So these are the 2 products I'll be using today, and a rat tail comb. But yeah, these are the 2 products that I'll be using, and let's go ahead and move along to the video. ahead and use my Cream of Nature edge control to make my baby hair. And this one, I actually picked this one up by accident. I didn't know, I didn't realize it was the black, whatever that is, and I ended up picking it up. Let's go ahead and make some baby hairs. Up using a different method. I hope you guys catch this method because I ended up using a different method. I can do like a half up, half down, or a nice little updo to take it off my shoulders, but I really like this method. I feel like it's super easy and it makes the hair look more realistic and more natural. I definitely feel like moving forward I will be using this method a lot. But this is the final look. I love how it turned out, super gorgeous. Overall, I feel like this was really super easy to install. I love how it turned out. It is extremely lightweight and it's just gorgeous. I will be leaving the link down below, so go ahead and make your purchase. Go ahead and comment down below, let me know how you feel about this install. And honestly, I just love how it turned out. I feel like this is one of my favorite looks. So let me know how you feel about that. This is where I'm leaving you for today. If you like this video, of course, give it a thumbs up, leave your comments down below, and most importantly, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in another video.